Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be saying how to add two elements from like two different linked lists, and the output should be in another linked list. So let's get started. So the question looks, all these respective nodes have to be added and the output should be given in a new linked list. So how should we do it? In order to calculate this, we have to write all of these elements in the reverse order at first. So it will look something like 3, 4, 2, and this will be 9, 7, 6, 5. And now if we add, so 5 plus 2 is 7, this will be 10. And here there is a carry, and this will be 11, and this is a carry. And so this is the output. First, create a node, and this node is basically called as I have created a dummy node, and initially there's a temp pointer pointing to the dummy node, and then all these elements will be adding. So we have to be creating like two integer values, which is sum and carry. So those are sum and words carry. So let's just start adding these two. So 5 plus 2 is what? 7. So I will write 7 over here, and then here a new node will be created and 7 value will be written, and then L1 pointer over here, or there is L2 pointer over here. So when the 5 and 2 is added, then this L1 gets shifted over here, and this L2 gets shifted over here, and now we again do the sum, and this sum value is, this thing will get changed and this will become 10, but here 10 is a 2-digit number, so 1 will be the carry. So over here 1 will become the carry, and only this 0 will come over here. So the next element will be 0, not that, and the carry has become 1. So now in the next step again we will be pushing L1 forward, and we'll be sending L2 also forward. Now 3 plus 7 is nothing but 10. So this thing will be broken and it will again become 10. But this 10 gets added to this. So the output will become as 11. And the last most digit, which is this thing, will come over here. This 1 will come over here. And this 1 will again go as carry over there. So again the value is changed at 1, and this one goes over there. And now again this L1 is shifted over here. This L2 is again shifted over here, and this time L1 doesn't exist. So you can see L1 doesn't exist, so it is just L2. So it will be L2 plus carry, which is nothing but 10. So you just write 10 over here, and this lastmost value comes over here, and this 1 goes over here as carry again. So the carry value gets updated, and this 0 comes down, so it becomes 0. And so now in the next step, this L2 goes forward, and finally we don't have anything. So finally L1 is nothing, L2 is nothing, but we still have one carry. So this carry will come over here. So the output will become like this, and this is what is our desired thing. This is what is our desired output, and we'll just delete this thing, and we have just got our desired output, which is just reverse. So we'll just flip it back. So now let's go to the code and let's start doing this on LeetCode.com. So now initially the first step which we saw was we'll be creating a dummy node. So list node star temp node, refer to node, and it's node. We have created a new dummy list node in the initial, and then we'll also be creating a pointer of temp, which is pointing to that initial dummy node. So it will be that's node star temp is equal to node. And yes, so while L1 exists, or basically we can just say while L1 is not equal to null, and L2 or L2 or L2 not equal to null, or the carry value exists. So we'll just create one then carry equals 0 actually. So yeah, so while L1 exists and while L2 exists, so L1 is basically the pointer which is pointing to L1 is basically the first position of the list, linked list 1, and L2 is the first position of the linked list 2 initially. So why will we keep on pushing L1 and L2 forward? So while L1 and L2 exists, so we can just create sum equals. So we mean like his N1 not equal to null, then we just be like sum equals sum plus N1 value. What is value? It's val over here. So we need like val, and we'll just push the position of L1 pointer to the next. In the L1 place, L1 next. Same here's the spot L2 also. So we be like yes, L2 not equal to null, then N sum is sum of L2 value, push the L2 position forward. And if in the third case, if we have a like both the linked lists are completely iterated, and we are finally just left with carry value as we saw in the pseudocode, means as we saw in the illustration. So we'll be like sum plus carry. So now in the output we saw we were creating a new node every time the last digit of sum we were adding to it. So we were creating a new node. So we'll be like, so we'll create a new node. Let's node start. We'll just call it as node. If node star, we'll just call it a node. Once node, let's node. And the value which we'll be entering inside the output is the lastmost digit. The lastmost digit of the sum. So how to find the lastmost digit, which is nothing but sum by 10, which is nothing but sum modulus of 10, which will always give the last position. So if suppose sum is 24 or 23, so 23 mod 10 will always give you the lastmost digit. It will give you the remainder. So we get 3, and we have to put 3 only in the output, and the carry will go ahead. So and also we have to update the value of carry. So carry equals sum by 10. So this way what will happen is that if it's 23, sum equals 23. So the carry will be 23 by 10, which is nothing but 2. This is nothing but 2. So the 2 is the one which will go to the carry. So the carry also gets updated, and the sum also gets updated. And we have to even push the value of temp. And also the temp should be pointing to the next node. So we had created a temp, right? So initially the temp was pointing to the dummy node. So we'll just link the temp to the new node which we have created over here. So temp of next is equal to the node which we just created. And also we'll just officially shift the position of temp to next. So temp equals temp next, and put a while over here, and you just return, and you should just finally return the position and dummy node of next. And that's pretty much it. The code should run now. Like just makes it. Yes, all of our test cases got passed. So let's just submit and see. Yes, our code will be submitted also. So thank you so much for watching the video. Until next time, goodbye.